Hello, my name's Anna Terreros-Martin and I'm the author and illustrator of Can You See the Stars Tonight? It's a story about a girl called Nora and her puffin who love looking at the night sky, but for some reason the stars aren't shining just as bright anymore, and they're determined to discover why. After rescuing a baby puffling and going on an adventure to Puffin Island, they finally understand, but it's going to take a little bit of imagination to get the stars sparkling again. Today, I'm going to show you how to draw a puffin. So here we go. So to draw a puffin, what you need is pencil, black colouring in pencil, a red one, yellow, orange and blue. So start off with, grab your pencil and we're going to start by doing Puffin's head. So we're going to do a light circle. It doesn't have to be very dark right now because we're going to do it darker. This is just so we know where body parts are. So that's Puffin's head. We're going to do the body. So another circle just under it. It can be about the same size or slightly smaller. Like that. We're going to do like a triangle coming out of Puffin's head, which is going to be the beak. And then the inner bit of the beak. Like that. Okay. So Puffin wears a yellow hat, a yellow woolly hat. What you're going to do, a line like this for the bottom of the hat. We're going to do the fold of the woolly hat by doing 2 of these lines up. Go around like that. And then the main bit of the woolly hat is just an arc like that. And then the bubble of the hat. So we can do this bit a bit darker, go over it like that. And that way we know where it is. Just like that. Okay, and down here, so at the bottom of Puffin's body, I'm going to do 2 little triangles at the start of his legs, 2 short lines, and like squished little triangles for the feet, just like this. And then bring down here, that's going to be Puffin's neck, like that. That's going to be a wing, but they're tucked in at the moment. And the tail, just some lines like this. So Puffin has a nice smile, so we're going to do that, and you can do this darker. So a line like that, and an eye. Okay, now to get colouring pencils, start with a black, and we're going to do Puffin's black feathers. So you can start this bit just above Puffin's beak, do it a bit like thicker like that, and then around Puffin's face, got the black feathers there and on his neck as well. So just like that, see? Do Puffin's wing. And come down. You can do the tail feathers as well. Just like that. You can have more than 2 if you want for his tail. And this bit here we leave, Puffin's belly we leave white because puffins' tummies are white. Okay, so for puffins' feet, we've got orange feet. So you go and colour in what we've drawn earlier with a pencil, a line and the triangle like that. And then we're going to do puffin's beak. So this bit here is red, however they've got a little white line in the middle like that. So if you draw them lines there and then you don't colour this bit in, you colour around it just like this, and then up to this point here like that, where we did that other line earlier, because that part of puffin's beak is going to be a different colour. Like that. So this part of puffin's beak is blue, but there's also another white line, and we leave this little bit here white. We colour the rest in like that. And colour that bit in. Like so. And puffins have a little yellow blob there. So you can do a little yellow blob. And with the yellow, colour in puffin's hat. And you can colour yours, puffin's hat, in whichever colour you want really, but Nora's puffin has a yellow hat, a yellow bobble hat with a red pom-pom. It's got some red zigzag and some dots. You can do it whichever pattern you'd like on your puffin hat, just like that. If you want to add a bit of shading, you can add a bit on the floor like that, just around puffin, and to make it softer you can smudge it with your finger, and that makes the line softer and the shadow softer. It's quite nice to do. And a bit under here like that, just gently, and then you smudge it with your finger, and it makes things look a little bit more 3D. Just like that. If you want, you can add a little eyebrow as well. And that's puffin. You can write it underneath. Puffin.